welcome back to my channel. I want to thank all of you for subscribing to my channel. I'm coming up on 300 subscribers and it's very exciting for me. It's been kind of a slow road, but it's getting more and more exciting, and it's all because of you guys. So I wanted to give you a shout out and say thank you so much for coming back and enjoying the tutorials and the paper packs that I've been putting out. So here's my latest Eco Die kit, and I'm going to tell you real quick what I did with this, and then I'm going to stop talking and play some music and do a flip through on these. Now I used some flowers from a plant I have. They're like, oh gosh, I'm not sure what they are. They're beautiful. They're the kind of flowers I always use. And then I'm using various leaves, and I don't know the species. I'm using a lot of onion skin. Excuse me. So I like how this batch came out. I used no dye whatsoever this time. I put a bunch of rusty bits in the pan, but the difference with this batch is I sprayed these with alum. And then I put the botanicals on the wet sprayed alum paper and sandwiched them all together super tight, and then boiled them, of course, and did all that. So this batch of paper was wet. The next batch I do, I'm gonna try to make the papers as dry as I can, and I will tell you all about that when I show the next kit, okay? So I hope you enjoy this kit, and here we go. Okay, so this kit is available now. It's in my Etsy store, and again, now I've dialed it into, I'm making 12-page kits, and it turns out to be 24 pages in the kit, and I do put the metal grate end sheets in as well. I know they're really quite different than the rest of the kit, but I think they're still really neat pages, and they could be used as the back sides of these for a junk journal or pockets or tags or really anything you can think of. So all of these kits from now on that I'm doing this summer, I'm planning on doing 24 image kits. So I am really glad that you joined me today, and I hope you love this kit. This is one of my favorites so far. Very different results out of this. I'm amazed at all the colors I got with no dye. There's absolutely no ink or anything like that in here, just the rust and the leaves. So I'm very impressed, and as of now, with all of the experimenting I've done, I swear by alum. I swear by it. So I will always spray my papers with alum from now on. Real quick, this is the kind of mixed media paper I'm using, and it comes in 7 by 10. This is 9 by 12 here, and I use the mixed media. And this is available. I've seen this at Joann's, Hobby Lobby, and Michael's, and you just have to watch the sales. I think I just use my 40% off at Hobby Lobby, so I end up getting it for like $9, something like that. I buy the 9 by 12 because I cut all my papers down to 8.5 by 11. That gives you a very nice big size to work with, and then of course you can size it down if you wish. It also comes in 11 by 14, I believe. So these are really nice pages. They're perforated. So I just come in and snap them all out, and then I cut them with my trimmer and set all the scraps in a pile for some kind of a jelly printing or something in the future. But so I am really grateful that you came today, and I will wrap it up with that. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button below and tap the notification bell so that you can get notifications for all the upcoming fun tutorials and paper packs in the future. Thanks again, and have a great day.